Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath459.
FamilyMath459. So I did this project with your brother earlier today, and comes from our friend Matt Enlow, who made a really neat chart of sort of truth in math. So he has 7 levels of it. And so we're just going to go through the levels, and I want you to see if you can come up with some examples.
Right.
So the first one, starting at the top of his tweet, the statement is true, here's a proof. So what's something in math that not only do you know is true, but you actually know how to prove it?
The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height.
Oh, okay. How do you prove that? That's a great example.
It's not that hard to prove. You have a square.
Uh-huh.
You cut it in half. Here's the base.
Uh-huh.
Here's the height. So here the square would be base times height. It's in half though, so you have to divide by 2.
Okay. Any special properties of that triangle, or does
It's a right triangle.
Okay, so that proof is for a right triangle. Okay. That's nice. Is there any? That's a great example. Is there anything else that you know to be true, and you also know how the proof works?
The Pythagorean theorem.
Okay. So what does the Pythagorean theorem say?
A squared plus b squared is c squared for a right triangle.
Okay.
No. It's kind of hard to draw.
Yeah, actually, it is a little hard to draw.
So this one would have to go like that. So these triangles are meant to be all the same.
Okay.
They're all congruent.
Yeah.
This is B. This is A.
Okay.
The area of this square, because it's a square, is a plus b squared, which is a squared is 2ab plus b squared.
All right.
So the area of half of this square, actually the area of I'm not sure half, but some of it, can be expressed with these triangles.
Okay.
Which is the area is 1/2 a times b times 4, which is this 2ab part.
All right.
Which means this square's area in here, this is a square.
How do you know that's a square?
Because they're all congruent. The triangles are all congruent. And this angle and this angle add up to 90.
Okay, great.
So this square is a squared plus b squared, but it's also c squared because it's a square.
Yeah, wow, that's great. That's a great job. Okay, both of those things, really good job. All right, so let's move on to part B.